you in your PJs?
No, I need to get in it, Mum. Oof. Hey. Oh, is dinner ready?
Yeah, we're having pizza. We can make
Yes,
our own.
pizza.
Make your own.
Oh, okay. That's fine with me.
Because, well, I don't know what you want.
Pepperoni, sauce, cheese, and peppers. Mother, can you please help me in my high chair?
Yes, I can.
Okay, thank you.
I'm
Yum, 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 yum.
I'm gonna go and put Diego so we can eat.
Okay. Oh my gosh, that was such good pizza. I think it's time for bed now. I'm really tired.
Okay, I'm gonna come and tuck you in. I
Okay.
should probably eat my pizza.
You can eat the pizza once I fall asleep because I'm gonna steal it maybe.
I already ate.
I'll say it.
And that's the end of the story.
Okay. Oh, Mommy, please can I have another story, please?
No, it's bedtime. Diego's coming in now.
Okay. Night, Mommy.
Night, honey. You turn off your computer.
Okay.
If nobody cares, we can just leave that on. Please.
Okay.
I'm just gonna... Wait.
Now. Huh? Did I just hear the window break? Mom? She's still asleep. Yeah, what do I do? Oh gosh. Back off you, robber. Oh, it's just a little parrot. What are you doing with this stinky old boot, little parrot? You're so cute. I love you. Oh, I want to be best friends with you forever and ever.
Did I just hear a squawk?
Huh? Oh no, Mum's up. Oh, hi, Mom.
Why is there a bird in here?
A bird? What bird?
The parrot.
Oh, the parrot. Oh, him.
Okay.
Oh yeah, the bird.
Why is the window broken?
Oh, I don't know. It's the bird. This is all your fault. I don't know.
Put the window.
Maybe. Look, I'm sorry, Mommy. He did.
Okay, he can stay here for the night, but where will he sleep?
I don't know. He can just stay here in the kitchen, I guess, in the chair. Oh, I'm so sorry, Mom. Can we please keep him, though?
Where will Diego sleep?
I don't know. Well, if I follow all the rules for a week, can we keep him?
Maybe.
Oh, it's a school day today. I like school.
Honey, are you dressed for school? Honey, are you dressed for school?
Oh no, shoot, I'm not. I'll just get dressed. What's in my closet? Okay, I think this outfit looks cute on me. Don't you think, Mom?
Yeah, you look adorable.
Can I bike to school?
Why? But you have to come.
Bike!
Let's take a pet to school day.
Can I please bike with Carrot? Please?
What?
When did you name him Carrot? Please, can I bike with Carrot? Please?
No, Diego's not official.
No!
Honey, you said you were keeping the rules.
Fine. Carrot, You gotta stay here when I get back. But actually, I'm gonna put you in my bag. Get in.
Okay, those here. We got those?
Get in. Mom, actually come up here. I think I'm just gonna feed Diego. Yeah. Bonding with pets. Can you please bring Diego here?
Yes, he's coming.
Okay. I will just clip a pet carrier to my bag. There we go. Now, Diego, get in.
Mackenzie Hobson.
Oh, Mommy, I'm gonna be late for school. Bye, Mom. Okay, Mom, I'm going to overnight stay at school.
Okay, make sure that Diego does not run away.
Yeah, I'm gonna be sure.
Yeah, I'm just gonna go and get some groceries.
Okay. Okay, Mr. Parrot, you can come out now. I'm gonna name you Carrot. Come on, let's go.
Honey.
Mom! Hi, Mom!
You don't
Da-da-da.
notice me?
Oh, I think I'll get a hot dog. I swore I heard Mom. Meh. Must just be my imagination.
Honey.
Oh gosh. Hide behind the stand.
Honey.
Yes, Mama.
Why do you have that parrot?
Bert, where are you? Bert.
His name's Diego. Where was our old cat?
Oh, I'm sorry, Diego. Sorry. Oh gosh. Get in my bag. Oh my gosh, Mama. Oh. I didn't have a parrot.
Diego.
I don't feel so well. I don't feel too well. Mommy, where are we going? You said you had a surprise for me.
Yeah, we are going. Just come with me.
Okay.
First, I'm just gonna get you a healing apple, okay?
Okay. Wonder where the surprise is. I wonder what the surprise is. Oh, I wonder so. Mommy, what is the surprise? What is it?
Just come with me.
Stop wiggling, dumb parrot. Huh? We're at the... Oh, no, nothing, Mama. Oh, we're at the... Mama, why are we at the pet shop?
We're returning the parrot.
What?
Take the parrot out. We're going to return it.
But he doesn't belong to anybody.
Well, he might, so we're just gonna place him in there.
But...
That's what...
Okay. This is all this... Bye, Mr. Parrot. But... Mom! Please. Can we at least adopt the panda?
Maybe. Come on.
Sloth? A sloth? A horsey? A griffin? Anything here?
No, just come.
No, but... Oh, can I say goodbye? Goodbye, Cat. Oh, I love you so much.
No, how about
A couple years later, she's turning 11.
Honey, do you know what this place is?
Why are we here?
You know the thingy? It took...
Mom, why are we at the stinky pet shop? It's so stinky. I'm just gonna, look around. Ugh.
No, why don't you go home?
I want to see how this tastes. Might as well buy it. Why would my mum take me to the pet shop on my birthday? I don't like the pet shop because it stinks. Might as well play with my teddy. Let's see all these toys in here. Teddy! Oh, it's nighttime. I guess I'll just play the piano. Playing with my squid. Can't believe Granddad gave me a squid for my birthday. I love this squid. He delivered it in the mail a couple hours ago. I think Mum will be here, but she better... Oh, hi, Mum.
Hi, honey.
Why are you here?
Oh, I'm just back from running errands.
Oh. Mum, you know when you said you had a surprise for me, like, a couple years ago? That was no surprise. Now you have another surprise for me. What is it?
I have a surprise in the room.
Yeah, okay.
Come over here.
Move, I can't see. Carrot! Oh my gosh, Carrot, it's you! Carrot, oh my gosh, you remember me, buddy?
He's officially ours.
What?
He's officially ours. We adopted him.
Woo! Oh my gosh, thank you so much. Oh my gosh, Mom.
Should I end?
Oh, you're so cute. I want to feed you some food. I never ever ate this because I tried a little bit. I didn't really like it. Yeah, buddy. Oh. Oh my gosh, I miss you so much. Thank you so much, Mommy. Thank you guys so much for watching this video today. But we have a bonus thing for you today. This is Ava. You'll probably seen her in some of my videos and Gacha Life. And we are going to give you a bonus clip of the funny moments that we've gone through. This took forever, right? It may seem short, but it actually took like forever, which is the downside about this video. Like, it took forever, but it's short. Okay.
Now we're gonna show you bloopers.
Yeah, we're gonna show you the funny moments, okay? Okay, Ava, I put the bike outside. Oh wait, what? Ava, what did you do? Oh God! Oh my God! Is that seriously your pajamas for this video? They see me rolling. They hate it. I don't have my driving license, so I just crashed. Me riding bike. Mother tells me ride slower. Mother is toilet paper. Mother still tells me to ride slower. I don't listen, so I drive off a bridge. I fall, but I got off my bike. I decided to walk off the bridge and into the water to die. Since this is what happened when people don't listen to their mothers. Oh God, Ava, that was just, oh my gosh. Oh God. Do 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 da 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 do 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 do. Mother, let's go to the baby store, because I need baby powder. Smack my booty with some baby powder. Smack my booty with them baby powder. I hope you liked that video that we did today. We're going to upload a coronavirus version because there's like toilet paper and stuff. Not trying to make fun of them. I hope you enjoyed this video. Goodbye.